slash afternoon. So I'm making progress, you all. So here is my new pedicure cart and my storage dresser for below the TV, right? So I'm able to get all my stuff in there. I'm getting rid of those IKEA cabinets that were in here and those 2 Amazon ones that were in here. And I'm also getting rid of my acrylic powders as well. So yeah, so that looks wonderful. So of course I have drawers, 3 drawers. And then I have two drawers here, so then I could put like my big gallons of acetone and alcohol, my callus remover, all that good stuff. So I'm excited with this purchase. Like, it's coming together. So on today's agenda is to clean up the rest of this room. I am going to be moving out my chairs. I bought new chairs, one for the clients and one for me. I'm going to be posting this pedicure bowl because I'm going to be selling that. And of course, you know, here's my chair and all that good stuff. So I'm just trying to move everything out of here to make it look nice and clean. And then obviously I'm going to start adding the stuff back and putting the stuff where it needs to go, especially in here. I'm probably going to stop at the Dollar Tree today to get some drawer organizers. To make it easier. And I already have bins, but I use them as shoe bins. So I just kind of want to see how that looks, and if that looks not the best, we're gonna go to Amazon and do some shopping as always. So yeah, so today is probably just gonna be a fast, quick video showing you all the stuff that I'm moving, and then we'll go from there. So hope you all enjoy this video, and I'll come back in a little bit. All right, so the table is finally cleared off. We can see some progress. Oh, this looks so much good. I just took everything out of here, didn't put it in no particular order, just put it in bins. So now I'm about to get this dustpan, this stuff I ordered, put that fan somewhere, get that bowl, all my products underneath there. And then I'm gonna take these 2 chairs and my stool out of here because you know that white stool is replaced by the black stool. And then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with all this stuff over here. I'm thinking of still keeping that black thing here and putting it behind the chair, because then I could get a little small little basket like I had my gray towels in and put my black towels in there. So I'm still thinking about that, but yeah, we'll figure that part out as we get to it. time to sleep. I'm kind of half sleeping only because I have this phone in my hand. So, you know, just trying to get a little bit of content. But then I got to get in there. Because I've been drilling holes and people been in the room and tracking stuff through the room. Thinking about buying me an iRobot. What y'all think? Does anybody have one of those? I've always seen the knockoff ones, but I don't know if that's the same. Yeah. But y'all tell me and let me know. Okay, I gotta get back in. So, as I'm obviously cleaning out this little stack, y'all, why I still got this Igel Beauty hybrid rechargeable LED lamp. I might as well open this up and make this my pedicure lamp. Because I don't want to have to carry like these over to my pedicure area. However, I do want to get these in black. Am I doing too much, y'all? I want to get these in black so we can coordinate with the room either, or get it back in the rainbow color. Both of them still work, so I don't know, I might add this to my sale list. Yeah. And then of course I got another backup nail dryer just in case. And this should be a backup nail lamp. So, you know, gotta have a few on deck. Cause y'all know Melody Susie was the one to hold me down when all of this first began. So I'm never giving up my Melody Susie at all. So yeah, so now I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place this. Maybe, no, it's not gonna work. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll keep it like right there. What y'all think? I think so, because I'm gonna give me a bin with my towels and stuff and put that there. But I don't know, those might get moved because you know how I am with the aesthetics. This has to go. Maybe I'll put those outside with the chair. I'll have to ask Mr. Biscuit, does he want those out? All right, so here is what we're looking like so far. I have some ideas. That's my new client chair. I got this off of the TikTok shop. I've been seeing that viral chair, so I decided to grab that. But I'm debating on if I want the same chair. But you know, I have a gaming race car chair that I need to put together. And then of course, don't mind none of this because I'm gonna get that up. But this is my cabinet. Yep, that's right there. All my stuff is down here for now. So we're making our way. I do gotta grab some paint from Home Depot to get those and those. So I will be doing that. So that's going to be it for right now. I'm about to get myself together for the day, and I'll probably be back. If not, I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.